Hi there, students. White noise. Okay, this is a noun. So firstly, scientifically, what is white noise? White noise is this psh sound that you hear. It's a mixture of all the different frequencies over a wide range of frequencies. Why white? Well, white because if you put together all the frequencies of all the colours, you should get white. So this is a mixture of all the frequencies of sound. And they say that white noise in the background is good for you. So, very often as well, they use white noise as a background sound, and this drowns out, it gets rid of, you can't hear other sounds. Yeah, so maybe if there are lots and lots of people talking loudly next door, if you play white noise, it reduces what you can hear. It drowns them out. It makes the noise disappear. But I want to explain the use of white noise figuratively. Let's see, in our lives today, there is a huge amount of white noise. So the best example is politics. There's one politician saying this thing and another saying this thing, and somebody campaigning for this and somebody campaigning for that. And there is so much of it that you just don't listen to it. You just don't listen to any of it because it's just white noise. It's this and this and this and this. And that's the idea of white noise. Let's see. If you want to save the special beetle that's that is endangered, yeah? So you wanted to start a campaign and to raise money to save this beetle. But the problem is your campaign will probably get lost among the white noise. All the other campaigns for ecological things, save the planet, reduce CO2, save the rainforest, save the polar bear, save the penguins, save this field, find a way to reduce pollution in the ocean. There are so many messages out there asking for you to do this or to support that. And it all becomes white noise. So your campaign to save this beetle just gets lost among the white noise. Or advertising. Yeah, there is so much advertising in our life nowadays. Here, there, everywhere. And it's just in our minds very often we just reduce it to white noise. Yeah, it's a background noise. Yeah, it's maybe a distracting commotion, but a chatter in the background, and we don't actually listen to it at all. And this is the concept of white noise. Yes, so who should I learn English with? Well, there are a million offers out there, and maybe all of them just end up as white noise. I just don't know which one of these to choose. I'm not going to learn English at all. And that's the idea of white noise. Just so many different or things bombarding you 24 hours a day that your mind just switches off to them. And that's the idea. Or social media. Maybe you follow your social media, or maybe there's so many different people saying different things that it all just ends up as white noise. Yeah, just a background noise of people saying different things. Or maybe the your telephone. It's got a million different chimes for a million different things. It's an email, it's a WhatsApp, it's a post on Twitter, it's a like on Facebook. YouTube sends you a message, you've got a new subscriber. The bank sends you a message that you're overdrawn, and all these bing bong bang boom bing, and you just end up not listening to them. That's when something becomes white noise. It's just so many different things that you can't, you stop distinguishing them. Well, I hope that definition of white noise has helped you. It was quite a difficult one to describe. But so white noise, just a mixture of sounds with all the frequencies. Yeah? Yeah, well, that's white noise. But then we use that metaphorically to mean so many different possibilities that you just forget about all of them. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. White noise.